This will be an unboxing of the Oppo Find X. Now this phone came out a couple of months ago, decided to skip it, but then I came across this phone on gearbest.com for a good price, a very good price. So decided to go ahead and pull the trigger, order this phone, and now I have it. Go ahead and do a quick unboxing here. Find X in the front, Oppo on this side. On the back, you have a QR code right there and information about the phone on the bottom. And that's pretty much it. Blue box with this orange kind of contrast right here. Looks pretty cool. Looks like we have some seals here I have to cut. So this is the first time I'm seeing this phone in person. Yeah, I know this unboxing is kind of late, but it is what it is. First time I'm seeing this phone in person, so we'll go check it out. Put that to the side, and what do we have here? Some sort of thing here, okay? Looks like we have a case. This is nice. We have a clear smoked case that comes with a phone. Now, all manufacturers should do this. Samsung, Apple, everybody. Put that to the side for now. And in here, we get your pamphlets and stuff, and something fell on the ground. Looks like we have a microfiber cleaning cloth. This is your SIM ejector tool. Put all that to the side, and what fell on the ground? Picked it up, and we have a dongle here. USB Type-C, headphone jack. Unfortunately, this phone does not have a headphone jack. And it looks like this is the device. All wrapped up. Let's see. Take that off. Woo! Wow. And again, this is the first time I'm seeing this phone in person. Damn, look at that. Reminds me of a plum or a grape or, you know, something like that. Wow. Damn. Oppo Find X, designed by Oppo on the bottom. Man, this phone, this is pretty sick, man. This looks pretty sick. All right, where's the power button at? Oppo powered by Android. We'll put this to the side for now. Dive into the box. And here we have your headphones. Oh, look at this. Cool little container. And we have the charging brick. Pretty cool. And I think that's it as far as the box is concerned. Put all this to the side. Wow, look at this screen. I don't know what the percentage is, screen to body ratio, but damn. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Gonna choose English right now. That's my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and type in my password. Looks like I'm in. So looks like I'm gonna have to adjust the language here because I don't understand any of this. So how do I do that? Go back, Wi-Fi assistant. Okay, don't need that. Continue. I'm gonna skip this lock screen passcode for now. Okay. I'm gonna skip this. I want to cancel. Skip. Skip. Okay, I'm gonna disable that. Oppo ID, skip, I don't have one. Skip, auto update overnight, leave that alone. Lock screen magazine, disable that. Terms of use, say no to that. And I can't continue. Okay, I have to check that, okay. I agree, sure. Import data, set up as new Oppo phone. This is my first Oppo device. Welcome, start your wonderful ColorOS journey. Get started. Let's do it. Swipe up, gesture navigation, click OK. And we are in, right? This is my first time seeing this phone in person, like I said. And I gotta say, this all screen experience right now. It's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. So let's see what Android we have out of the box. And let's go to, let's see, where is it? Some of these Android phones, they move this stuff around. Can't find stuff easily. About phone. And out of the box, we'll get Android version 8.1. And let's see, what's the security patch level? July 5th, 2018. Not too bad. Not sure if there's an update already for this phone. I'll check that later. Matter of fact, let's check right now. Software updates. New version of Color OS. Download now. So there is a new version, but I'll do that later. For now, I just want to kind of get into the phone. First impressions. So I'm going to go back. Swipe adjuster right there. Kind of like the iPhone, right? You swipe up to go back. But what I really want to check out right now is the camera. So let's open that up. Look at that. Camera would like to connect to network. I'm going to cancel that. Some futuristic-ish right there. Call it James Bond, call it Inspector Gadget, call it whatever you want to call it. But that is that's some pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, so how do I go back? Gotta go like that, and the camera should just come back down. That's cool, man. That's cool. Now again, as far as longevity, if that's concerned, durability, I mean, who knows? I don't know how long that's gonna last, but it's pretty damn cool. You open the camera, pops up, and it makes this pretty cool motorized sound too. You know, that's not something you hear on a phone, from a phone, every day. Cancel that. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. You have your volume rocker here. On this side is the power button. On the bottom of the phone, your speaker grills, USB Type-C, your SIM slot, and I think that's a mic. See, what else am I missing here? On top, looks like we have another mic right there. And I don't know what that is. Is that an IR blaster? Not sure what that is. On the back of the phone, Oppo branding, Find X, and it comes in this awesome purple pink kind of color where you can see it on the sides and then kind of gradients to this dark color in the middle. Very nice. All right, so let's compare this real quick to the Galaxy Note 9 size-wise. The Note 9 is still the bigger device all around, as you can see from the back, from the front. Now let's compare the screen to body ratio real quick. Let me see, go to settings, and then on this one, I'm gonna do the same thing. Go to settings right now. So you guys can see the difference as far as the screen to body ratio. The screen to body ratio is a little bit higher on the Oppo phone, as you can see. OnePlus 6. From the back, comparable in terms of size. Okay, from the side, kind of compare that. And then again, let's check out the screen between these two. Okay, let's see. Let's go to settings right now. Do the same thing on the Oppo phone. Kind of compare the screens. Now this has a black top, so let's see. That's the bad comparison. Here we go. Kind of check out the screen to body ratio. OnePlus 6 does have a notch, so don't really like that. Much prefer something like this. The Oppo Find X, now that I have it in my hand, this unboxing's a little late, but better late than never. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. versus OnePlus 6, Galaxy Note 9, let's see, iPhone 10, Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.